All right, we're at part 3 of this Etek motor. We're going to add the tapped holes into the motor um, so that we can attach our plate. So putting holes in, tapped holes is easy and we've preset it up because we put our points in there. So we're going to grab the hole command, which is this guy right here. This gives me an opportunity to talk about threads a little bit. The type of threads that are specified for this motor are 5/16 18. So, and that's for this section of holes. So we're going to go over here. We're going to do simple. It's going to be not a clearance hole. It's going to be a tapped hole. We're going to select the size, which is going to be 3/16. Where am I? Oh, excuse me, 5/16. 5/16. Notice that it goes right to 18 TP UNC. So that's coarse thread, 18 threads per inch. All right, that's a standard. We have those bolts in the shop. We just got to specify its depth. I'm going to put down 10 millimeters. Now you might be saying, well, 5/16 is inches and this is millimeters. Well, our document is in millimeters, but for whatever reason, they've got standard holes in there. So now we just got to place the holes. So we have sketch points already. So we want to select this guy, this guy, this guy, and this guy. All right, and that's going to put our tapped holes in there. Hit OK. And now we got some tapped holes to go over here as well. So we're going to jump back to the hole command. In this case, our holes are bigger. They're 3/8. So we're going to go with simple. We're going to change our size to 3/8. And notice that the thread count changes, and that does match what's on the drawing. It's a 16 threads per inch now. And we're going to come in and select these points and put these holes in. And I'm also going to leave those at 10 millimeters deep. So now we've got a motor with holes in it. Next up, I'm going to put a motor shaft on here just so we don't forget that that's there. And really, we need to realize that in addition to that motor shaft, we're going to have a keyway on there, and there's going to be a hub and a sprocket and so forth. But for now, let's just put the shaft on there so it's referenced for us for the plate. So I'm going to go make a new sketch, select this boss surface. I'm going to grab my center or circle tool rather, click right. I like to look at it straight on because it gets a little confusing. Click on my origin, and we need to put a diameter on that. All right, the number they give us for the diameter of that shaft is 22.23. Doesn't look like it matches the picture, but I'm going to go with it. And the length of that shaft is 42.6. So I'm going to hit extrude and go 42.6. We're going to cut some prototypes out of the laser cutter and see how all these things match up. But